Simply connect to this website, make some animated videos, and sell them for huge profit. I did it, you can do the same. Hey guys, I hope you're ready for a life-changing video because today I'm going to show you how you can get paid $400 now on this super simple app. What's awesome about this method is that it doesn't require any fancy equipment, skill or experience, and you can even start making with this right now, right after finishing this video. This method is available all around the world and it is only a few months old, so it's guaranteed to work through 2021. But guys, make sure not to skip any step in the video because if you do, there's a high risk that you miss out on an important step that would otherwise make your profit a lot higher. So guys, make sure to stick around until the end and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and also subscribe to the channel because we are regularly uploading new videos about how you can make money online. And now let's jump into the first step.
Guys, if you're watching this, you have to know that we are running a brand new giveaway on the channel. We're giving away the new iPhone 11 Pro Max or the new MacBook Pro. The choice is yours. All you have to do is watch the full video, hit the like, comment the key hidden in the video, and make sure you subscribe. It is that simple.
So for the first step, I want you guys to connect to peopleperhour.com. And today I'll show you the website that we'll be using today to do all of the hard work for us and allow us to get paid. But before we get to that platform, your very first step will be to sign up to any freelancing platform you want. I'd in fact recommend signing up to multiples of them since that way you'll get more customers. Now, with that being said, the ones I recommend the most are this one, peopleperhour.com and Fiverr.com. And yes, I know many of you dislike Fiverr since it's so competitive, but I would nevertheless recommend you sign up to the platform since you can't lose anything. And once you do get a few good reviews, you'll start getting more and more customers. Now, with that said, since we're using freelancing platforms to get paid, that begs the question, what will we get paid for? Well, it will be animated explainer videos. And there's two reasons for this. First, they pay off big time. And you can see some people on Fiverr are asking for $100 or more for a single video created. So as you can see, guys, simply put, making these videos can get you paid very nicely. Now, the second reason is because I have a website out there that will create them for you. And I know this sounds too good to be true, but not only will I show you everything you need to do to create a video, but I will also show you the reviews of the site. And the most important feature it has to offer, for 4 days, you will have access to the site as if you have already paid for it. So you will have access to all of the premium stuff that is not free. So make sure you guys stick with me and I promise you this will be worth your time. Now, with that said, since the website in question is free for 4 days straight, what I recommend you guys to do is create a gig on few of these freelancing platforms offering to create a whiteboard animated video. And you want to simply wait for your first customer since, as I said, the site has the premium features available for only 4 days, and only when that very first customer reaches out to you will you want to head over to the platform in question and sign up to the platform. And that leads us to the second step of the method, and this website is called powtoon.com. This is the website that can, for free, believe it or not, create whiteboard animated videos for you that you can then simply send over to your customer on a freelancing platform of your own choosing. Now, before I even go ahead and show you what you need to do on here to create those very videos, let's start this off by removing any doubts you perhaps have about this site. As you can see, these guys have been featured on NASA, Pfizer, Bridgestone, Dell, so you can see that they are pretty legit. And the best way to do so is by showing you some real reviews as promised. And the best way to show legitimacy is to show you the real reviews as promised. Now, if you come over to trustpilot.com, you will see that this site has outstanding reviews, to say the least. Most sites, even if they are great, don't have close to 5-star rating most of the time, but Powtoon has a rating of 4.9 stars with over 1,000 reviews. And as you can see just below, you can check out how many people rated it as excellent, great, and so on. And if you scroll down, you can see plenty of 5 stars and some pretty nice comments. As far as creating whiteboard animated videos, Powtoon is arguably one of the best, if not the best site out there that you can find. And this is exactly why we want to use it in order to create the videos for us. Moreover, it's not just an excellent platform to create whiteboard animated videos, and as you can see, you can also use it to create videos. You can record your own screen as I'm doing right now. You can also create some commercial videos. You can create intros, outros, promo videos, video ads, and so much more. Using this, you can basically create any video you can think of. That, of course, means that it's nearly impossible that this is free, right? Well, it actually is. If you click on the pricing here, you will be able to see what I'm talking about. When you come onto this page, you will be presented with 3 paid plans: Pro, Pro Plus, and Agency. But if you scroll down, you will also be able to see that they do offer a free plan. But as I said before, we actually won't be using that free plan since this site offers the premium features for 4 days. More than enough time for you guys to create a whiteboard video, earn $100 or so, and then reinvest the money into this site. And by the way, I highly recommend the Pro Plus plan since it does offer more amazing features and costs $60 a month, which, if you think about it, isn't really that much. There are people on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms literally charging over $100 for a single video, which means you would basically get back the money you invested into this site and get a big profit from just one sale. Anyhow, with all of that said and done, guys, I want to now show you how you can create a whiteboard video with this platform and all of the awesome options it has to offer. And in order for you to be able to start using this yourselves, you want to click on the sign up button, which is located here in the top right corner. On the next page, as you can see, you can either enter in your email address and click here to continue, and then go ahead and enter in some more info about yourselves, or you can just do what I would recommend and simply sign up through Google or Facebook. It is much faster. Now, once you sign up, what you will find out is what I mentioned way back in the beginning. For the next 4 days, you will have access to all their Pro and Pro Plus features, which is amazing to say the least. And this is what you should take advantage of. This is also why I said you want to create your gig first and then wait for the customer before you decide to sign up on this platform. Thanks to this awesome feature, you literally don't have to give away any money up front. You can use the fact that you have premium access for the first 4 days to create the whiteboard video and get paid that way. Now, with that being said, since this site offers so much, I know you will be a bit overwhelmed at first, so let me show you what you want to do in order to create a whiteboard video for your customer. The first thing you will need to do is select whiteboard video over here, since you want to create that after all. From there, you have 2 options. Either you can use pre-made templates, or you can start from scratch by clicking on Create right over here. I would personally recommend using the templates since they are pre-made after all, with music and everything, and all you need to do is customize them before sending them over to your customer. Moreover, since you have so many templates to choose from, they have a filter option you can see up here, so you can change the type of templates you want. This, of course, depends highly on what your customer is asking of you. And when you find a template you like, simply click on it and then click on Edit this template over here. And that will now take you straight over to the editor, and as you will find out yourselves, you can edit virtually anything. To be able to change stuff like the length of the scenes and have many more options in general, just click on Create in the upper left corner. When you do so, you will find out you can now edit the length of scenes, as I said before, but apart from that, you can choose your own intros and outros. You can change the text in scenes. Of course, the color of the text as well, the font, and you can move it around if you wish to. Basically, there's nothing that you can do with this software, and this is why I recommend it so much, guys. Anyhow, when you're finished with your video, simply click on Export in the upper right corner, and then send it over to your customer. Then reinvest the money into this, and you can start using it for the long term in order to get paid $100 or so again and again. Now, with that said, I simply cannot go over all of the features of this site and what you can do with it since it offers so much. I highly recommend that you check out the tutorials it has to offer. To do so, click on this question mark up here and select tutorials. Now, with all of that said, please give this one a try and let me know how it worked out for you down there in the comment section. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.